Have you ever gazed up at the night sky and wondered if the Andromeda Galaxy could pose a threat to us here on Earth? It's a question that's not as far-fetched as it may initially sound. The beauty and grandeur of the cosmos have captivated humans for centuries, luring us into a deep fascination with its many mysteries. One such enigma is our neighbor, the Andromeda Galaxy, a spiraling mass of stars, gas, and dust. It's the closest spiral galaxy to our own Milky Way. But there's a twist to this cosmic tale. Andromeda is not just any ordinary neighbor, it's an unseen beast lurking in the cosmic shadows, inching its way towards us. The Andromeda Galaxy, also known as Messier 31 or simply M31, is a breathtaking sight, even with the naked eye on a clear, dark night. It's a celestial body that's been the subject of countless studies and astronomical observations. Yet behind its mesmerizing beauty lies a potential danger. It's on a collision course with us. Yes, you heard it right. Our Milky Way and Andromeda are destined to meet in a cosmic dance that will change the face of our local group of galaxies forever. But don't pack your interstellar evacuation kit just yet. This celestial event isn't due for another 4 billion years or so. Even then, the galaxy's vastness and the immense distances between stars mean that it's unlikely our solar system will experience a direct hit. However, the gravitational disruptions caused by this galactic merger will undoubtedly reshape our galaxy in ways we can hardly imagine. It's a fascinating subject, filled with intrigue, suspense, and a dash of cosmic horror. The Andromeda Galaxy, a beautiful yet potentially dangerous neighbor, is a testament to the awe-inspiring, sometimes terrifying nature of the universe we inhabit. But before we dive into the potential dangers, let's take a journey back in time to when the Andromeda Galaxy was first discovered. As we delve into the past, we'll uncover the story of how our understanding of this distant galaxy has evolved over time, shaping our perception of the cosmos and our place within it. The story of the Andromeda Galaxy begins over 1,000 years ago. In the vibrant world of the 10th century, Persian astronomers first noticed a faint smudge of light in the night sky. Though they had no idea of its true nature, they recorded this celestial object, later known as the Andromeda Nebula, in their astronomical texts. It was a mystery, a seemingly insignificant spot in the vast canvas of the cosmos, yet it managed to catch the curious eyes of these ancient scholars. As centuries passed, the Andromeda Nebula remained a constant, visible even to the naked eye on clear moonless nights. It was a steadfast companion to stargazers, but its true identity remained elusive. Fast forward to the early 20th century, a period filled with revolutionary ideas and discoveries. The nature of the Andromeda Nebula was one of the many mysteries that scientists were eager to unravel. The advancement in technology brought more powerful telescopes, allowing astronomers to probe deeper into the cosmos than ever before. Among these astronomers was Edwin Hubble, a man whose name would become synonymous with space exploration. Hubble observed the Andromeda Nebula and made a groundbreaking discovery. He found that it was not a nebula at all. Instead, it was an entirely separate galaxy, much like our own Milky Way. This discovery fundamentally changed our understanding of the universe. It was no longer a single galaxy universe. The cosmos was suddenly teeming with countless galaxies, each with billions of stars and potentially billions of worlds. The Andromeda Galaxy, as it was now known, was the closest of these galaxies to our own. The discovery of the Andromeda Galaxy broadened our cosmic perspective. It served as a reminder of our place in the universe, a tiny speck in the grand scheme of things, but a speck with the ability to comprehend the vastness of space and time. With its position in the cosmos identified, the next step was to understand more about this celestial neighbor. As technology advanced, so did our understanding of the Andromeda Galaxy. Once our telescopes pierced the veil of the night sky, they brought back tales of a celestial marvel, the Andromeda Galaxy. This galaxy, our closest galactic neighbor, revealed itself to be an immense spiral structure, a vast cosmic whirlpool comprised of 1 trillion stars, double the number of our own Milky Way. The spiral arms of Andromeda, swirling out from its core, are not just mere stellar ornaments. They are the birthing grounds of new stars, cradling clouds of gas and dust from which stars are born. A closer look at these arms reveals intricate patterns and structures, each telling a unique story of cosmic evolution. Astronomers have calculated that Andromeda is an astonishing 2.5 million light-years away from us. Yet, despite this immense distance, the galaxy is on a collision course with the Milky Way. It's not a wild, uncontrolled rush towards us, but rather a slow dance, dictated by the gravitational pull between these two galactic giants. In fact, the realization that Andromeda is moving towards us was a pivotal moment in astronomy. It shattered the notion that our universe was static and unchanging. Instead, it painted a picture of a dynamic cosmos where galaxies are in constant motion and where collisions and mergers are an integral part of galactic evolution. But here's the twist. Even though we're on a collision course with Andromeda, it's not something that will happen overnight. The predicted timeline for this cosmic event is in about 4 billion years. So, while it's a fascinating aspect of our galactic future, it's not something we need to lose sleep over today. Andromeda, with its spiral beauty, its immense size, and its impending collision with our galaxy, continues to captivate our curiosity and drive our desire for discovery. It serves as a stark reminder of the dynamic nature of the universe we inhabit. But what does this mean for us, living in the path of this celestial titan? The Andromeda Galaxy, a celestial body twice the size of our Milky Way, is hurtling towards us. Imagine two colossal cosmic entities, each with hundreds of billions of stars, locked in a gravitational dance, destined to meet in a spectacular collision. This is not the plot of a science fiction movie. This is the fate of our own galaxy, the Milky Way, and its nearest galactic neighbor, the Andromeda Galaxy. Now don't go panicking just yet. The event is penciled in for roughly 4 billion years from now. It's a bit like seeing two cars on a collision course, but they're moving at a snail's pace and are still millions of miles apart. So, what would happen when these two galaxies eventually collide? Well, the word collide might be a bit of a misnomer. You see, galaxies are mostly empty space. Even though they contain billions of stars, the distance between these stars is so vast that the chances of any two stars actually crashing into each other are infinitesimally small. Instead, the galaxies will merge, their stars and planets dancing around each other in a cosmic ballet choreographed by the laws of gravity. The night sky as we know it will be drastically transformed. New constellations will form, old ones will disappear, and the whole sky will be ablaze with the light of billions of new stars. But what about our humble abode, planet Earth? Well, the jury is still out on that one. Some scientists believe that the solar system could be flung out into intergalactic space, while others think we might end up in a new location within the merged galaxy. There's even a chance that we might just stay exactly where we are. No matter the outcome, this cosmic event reminds us of our fleeting presence in the grand scheme of the universe. We are but tiny specks on a tiny rock, hurtling through space and time, part of a galaxy that's on a collision course with another. But as with all things in space, there's more to this story than meets the eye. While the thought of a galactic collision might seem terrifying, it's important to remember the vastness of space. Yes, the cosmos is an immense arena where celestial bodies dance their eternal dance. The distances between stars and planets within galaxies are so vast that despite the impending collision of our Milky Way with Andromeda, the chances of individual stars and planets colliding are surprisingly minimal. Imagine two swarms of bees merging. The bees buzz around, minding their own business, seemingly on a collision course. Yet, due to the space between each bee, they rarely collide. Similarly, the stars in galaxies are like these bees, buzzing around in the vast expanse of space, each following its own path. But this doesn't mean there aren't potential dangers. The gravitational effects of this cosmic dance could fling our solar system out of the Milky Way or into the heart of the newly formed galaxy. Yet, even these scenarios wouldn't necessarily spell doom for our planet. It's a testament to the vastness and intricacy of our universe that such a monumental event could occur with minimal direct impact on individual planets and stars. However, this event isn't just about potential dangers. It's also about the exciting opportunities it offers for scientific discovery and understanding. It's a chance to observe and learn from a rare cosmic event, to gather data that could unlock new insights into how galaxies evolve, how stars form and die, and perhaps even answer some of our deepest questions about the universe. The collision of Andromeda and the Milky Way is more than just a collision. It's a cosmic ballet, a dance of galaxies that has been choreographed over billions of years. It's a spectacle that future generations might have the privilege to witness, a testament to the ever-changing dynamic nature of our universe. So, while the Andromeda Galaxy may be on a collision course with ours, perhaps it's not something to fear, but rather a spectacle to anticipate.